have brain problems. You have issues with every single person in this house. Really, no. I don't have issues with you better check the way you talk. Because you cannot continue talking to me anyhow. Do you understand? Is it because I be keeping quiet? Are you crazy? You will not talk for yourself. What is what? Why are you calling kids? You laughing there.
I just make sure everybody is around. Now I'm just floating. You have to come and read my own separately for me. I was not there. I was in the toilet.
Did I not ask? Is everyone here?
Yeah. You would come from. I was not there. But normally I wait for everybody to go. Every head of house waits for everybody to gather. I was not there. And the dress was red.
See, she was not even ready. She was not even ready.
I mean the other general household. Sorry. The general household. You wait for everybody to arrive.
Guys, please, Erica, give me back the mood. Bring it back. Please, not now. Please, please, not now. Listen, please.
Please, I'm begging. Please, package, help me out. Yes, no, hold on. Please, calm down. We were just having a conversation. And I say you're the neck. If you say the head doesn't turn, it doesn't turn.
And I'm asking, what do you mean by that statement?
I meant something. I should explain what that means.
Explain yourself now, because you're the good. Don't see. No. I would like. I told her. Okay, I didn't talk to you guys. So I would like you to just let me know what you meant.
Oh, I don't know what you understood by that, but I didn't mean shit.
It was about Lecon, his feelings, and how Erica was also talking about what Kid Wire feels about her, and how they probably would want to take their relationship to the next level, boy-girl thing.
To me ever again. I swear to God. Do you know how disheartening that thing was? Do you know how disheartening that thing was? No, I don't know. Because I told everyone to shut up. Okay, please. You are a horrible person. You are a horrible person. You are so horrible. No, all the time was making me feel.
Don't worry, it's okay, baby, so you don't want.
You feel me? Everything that's happening here, you guys may begin to think is a little bit extraordinary. But it's not, guy. So you have to energies. That's right. Bro, listen. First of all, you have to admit to the facts. I have admitted that everybody in this house knows how I feel about her. Exactly. No shit. Yeah. What?
What are you upset about exactly?
About everything that feels like everything from day one is just happening confused in some kind of way. I am really confused.
Can I? This is week 4. You haven't been in the bottom for once. People like you.
Telling you.
Forget.
This is how bad that just makes wow, all of us are all the time. Let's get like a 5 point there for it. Yeah, last night was so difficult. Yeah. What are you saying, sir? That's you said last night. So not cancel. Jesus. It was hard. It was so wow. I just kept looking at that camera to remind myself where you are. My God. Well, God help me this night.
Also an advice,
Yeah.
No matter how.
You now ask me what Big Brother called me.
But I told I will write all
stop short.
But
shut up. You now ask me what you tell me what you told Big Brother if I tell him why Big Brother called me that night. And I told him that class. We're not supposed to discuss it. He said, okay, that told Big Brother, I don't know if he was lying. Told Big Brother, I love you. And I laughed. This was after I told him I wanted to kiss him. So it's not because of, I don't know if it's because of what I said, that's why I said this one.
And all of that. So the tax presentation that has been given to them is on gender-based violence, where we say no means no. So the housemates are trying to rehearse, and of course Tricky T is the one who's leading the whole discussion, the whole practice, and the whole rehearsals for their presentation, which is very important. It is their wager task presentation.